Welcome to Santa Clara's Killarney Farms neighborhood. Hi, I'm Vinicius Brasil, the Santa Clara real estate guy. My group, the Brasil Group, specializes in Santa Clara homes and neighborhoods. Today, I want to show you a great single-family neighborhood located here in South Santa Clara, right in 95051. Did you know there's actually two Killarney Farms neighborhoods here in Santa Clara? The original Killarney Farms was built in 1957 right here near Wilcox High School near Calabazas and Monroe. This neighborhood I typically refer to as Killarney Farms North. Several years later, in 1961, Lacey and White developed the second Killarney Farms neighborhood near Prune Ridge and Pomeroy. I distinguish that Killarney Farms neighborhood as Killarney Farms South. The developers, Lacey and White, used some of the same floor plans from the original Killarney Farms in the new Killarney Farms development with some slight changes, and also added some additional floor plans. What's consistent across both Killarney Farms developments are the quality and design and construction of the homes. The homes feature two-car garages, several different floor plans and elevations, and are situated on around 6,000 square foot lots, with some exceptions for corner and cul-de-sac lots. The floor plans consist of several single-level 3-bedroom floor plans. There's the popular 3-bedroom floor plan with a side entrance, which features a separate family room, which is around 1,440 square feet. There's also a smaller version of that floor plan with an entry in the front that's around 1,350 square feet. In addition, there's a small 3-bedroom floor plan, which is about 1,100 square feet total. Lastly, there's a 2-story 3-bedroom floor plan that has 2 bedrooms above the garage with a barn-style roof. Killarney Farms North has only one 4-bedroom floor plan. It features a long driveway and a garage that's recessed back and has a single living room with no family room. The homes in Killarney Farms North range in size from around 1,100 square feet all the way to 1,700 square feet. Here's an interesting detail about this Killarney Farms North neighborhood. You'll notice in the family room the large stone fireplaces. Legend has it that these stones were sourced from a San Francisco materials yard where they were reclaimed from old cobblestone streets of San Francisco. Killarney Farms homes feature raised foundations, well-proportioned bedrooms, and living areas. Some of the models do feature step-down family rooms with a sliding glass door to the back patio and yard. Killarney Farms North is located between Cabrillo and Nobley Avenues and is west of Calabazas Boulevard. The neighborhood falls in the enrollment boundary of Briarwood Elementary, Cabrillo Middle, and Wilcox High School. It's close to shopping along the El Camino, Monticello Shopping Center, and Costco. It's also within walking distance to Briarwood Elementary, Machado Park, and Wilcox High School. Other conveniences include proximity to the Lawrence Caltrain station and Lawrence and Central Expressways. Killarney Farms is a good-sized development by Santa Clara standards, encompassing around 430 single-family homes. Bordering neighborhoods include Bowers Crest to the east, Briarwood to the south, and Lawrence Meadows to the west. One of the great aspects of Killarney Farms homes that I've noticed over the years is their pier and grade beam foundations. These homes were built very well for that time and tend to hold up well against Santa Clara's expansive soil conditions. A little known fact about Killarney Farms is the trademark barn-style roofs that you'll see throughout this neighborhood were in fact upgrades. While some of these barn-style roofs were designed into some of the floor plans, the developers, Lacey and White, offered an option to have the barn-style loft over the garage and family room for around $500. Some homeowners opted for this option and later finished these spaces as living areas. Many of the streets in Killarney Farms North follow the theme of Jesuit universities such as St. Mary's, Fordham, DePaul, and Creighton. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Santa Clara's Killarney Farms North neighborhood. For more information about Killarney Farms North, visit our Killarney Farms North page on our website. I'll post the link in the comments section below. If you live in Killarney Farms and want to be added to our monthly Killarney Farms market update with the latest real estate activity and sales, you can send me an email or sign up down below as well. For questions about Killarney Farms or any Santa Clara neighborhood, feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to talk to you. Until next time, this is Vinicius Brasil with the Brasil Group and Keller Williams, and you're watching Santa Clara Living.